Hello everyone, my name is Miguel Gablera. I'm a customer success specialist here at Cisco, and today I want to speak a little about ST Access. So ST Access is one of the main solutions that we have within Cisco DNA Center, and many people already know ST Access, what can ST Access provide them with. However, many people don't really know our best practices and how to tune ST Access to their business needs. So this being said, if you have these type of questions and if you are eager to learn more and answer these questions, I kindly advise you to enter our next ATX, which is going to answer all of these questions. So this being said, thank you very much and stay safe.